Alright, check it out. We're in our new home. So the Jeep is the first vehicle in my new garage. This is actually a brand new garage, so the Jeep is the first vehicle to ever be in here, which is kind of cool. I've got a lot more room. This garage is insulated, so it'll actually be somewhat comfortable to work in here, even when it's super hot or super cold. But the Jeep made it. We are officially on the East Coast now. So I got the hard top off. I've got the full doors off and stored away. Thank you, Nathan. And I'm gonna prep for spring and summer. So I'm gonna throw the half doors on it. I'm gonna throw the back seat back in it and the rear seat belts. And I'm gonna throw a bikini top on it. Oh yeah. These have been in storage for months. Finally got everything. Very little was broken. Some things are broken though. My toolbox got injured somewhere between Nevada and North Carolina. I've got some drawers that no longer close, so that sucks. Oh yeah. Looking good. I have so much more room in this garage. It's awesome. This garage is about 50% bigger than the garage I moved out of. But it's really nice. Like, it's fully finished, so I don't want to, like throw grease and grinding sparks all over the walls and stuff. I think I'd rather just build a shop sooner than later. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just somewhere to be dirty, work on dirty stuff. I'm also finally unpacked. That took forever. Harbor Freight had a parking lot sale this weekend, and I got another 20-ton shop press, another welding table, and I got the Badlands off-road jack. So, long way to go though. I'm excited to work on the YJ again. I'm definitely going to focus on the YJ. I don't want to buy another LJ or anything, at least not anytime soon. I would like to get a 4-door Jeep at some point and build that. That way I can take my kids, easily. My wife is due with our second kid in about 3 weeks, so things are gonna get even more crazy around here. I have a couple of tops for this thing. I still have the, the rear, what's it called? Windbreak, whatever. It goes back here. I don't think I'm going to be using that anytime soon. I mainly bought that for Moab. I've got this old raggedy bikini top. I could replace it. It's got some broken buckles, but you know, it's old and raggedy, but I don't know, I kind of like it. It matches the rest of the Jeep. There it is. All right, the YJ is officially back, I guess. I still need to get plates put on it, but I haven't done that yet. So up next, I'm finally gonna fix the steering on this thing. I bent it on the Rubicon like a year and a half ago, and I still haven't, fixed it. It still works, it still steers, but it's bent. I'm gonna see if I can straighten that DOM and bend it back out. I should be able to do that with the press. It's gonna be a little wonky trying to push down on the high side. Anyway, so I'll try that. If not, I'll just get a piece of DOM and replace it. And I have a new bumper coming for this as well. If you remember, I had a Barnes four-wheel drive bumper, the stubby with the winch guard. That bumper went with the LJ. I've actually been trying to get that exact same bumper again, and it is consistently out of stock on Barnes' website. When they do have it in stock, it's not always with the winch guard piece, and it's always a welded together yourself kit, which I could do, but I don't have 220 in this garage at the moment, so. And the price of that bumper has increased like $100 since I bought it last. So I'm gonna go with something different this time, and I'm gonna go with this winch. This is the XD9000i that was originally on the LJ. The LJ got my VR10S when I sold it. So this is actually, in my opinion, this is a superior winch. This is a made in USA winch. The VR series is made in China. And this winch era, I guess, more correctly matches the YJ than the VR did. VR is still a good winch, but this is an upgrade in my opinion. So when that bumper comes in, should be here tomorrow. That'll be a video too. And then we're gonna hit some trails this year, hopefully. I'm sure we'll end up at Uwharrie. I've been to Uwharrie, I don't know, many a time. And that'll probably be where I go with this first on the East Coast, just because it's the closest. I would like to do Windrock. I would like to do maybe the Gulches, maybe Roche Creek. I don't know, we'll see. I think we're gonna start with Uwharrie, make a trip to Windrock at some point, and make a trip to that new place in Kentucky. I can't remember what that place in Kentucky is called, but we'll see. Wheeling in North Carolina is nowhere near as good as wheeling in Nevada, unfortunately, but I'm gonna make the best of it where I live now. So first things first, I gotta get this going.